Hello everyone. Today we will draw a gift for kids. Let's get started.
The mouse ran up the clock struck one.
Black first. Repeat after me.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Draw a beautiful bow.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Coloring time. Pink.
The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
Green. Blue. Let's add a shadow effect. Draw hearts as a decoration. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.